EPD-150 and EPD-200 dehumidifiers, UK designed for the world market using DryFan technology. Designed to work safely all day and every day. Efficient self-regulation for efficient power consumption. EPD-150 74-pint and EPD-200 95-pint commercial-grade dehumidifiers with patented designs. Not affected by frost. No water container or water hose needed, as it uses new nanomist technology, equivalent to normal compressor dehumidifiers of 150 to 200 pint water extraction in normal use. Water humidity is turned into nanomist to be vented to the outside in any direction, even vertically upwards. Ecor Pro DryFan technology dehumidifiers work even upside down, so they're easy to fix to walls or on ceilings. DryFan units work at any temperature from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Other dehumidifiers stop above freezing. Around 1/3 of the size of comparable normal compressor dehumidifiers, so it's easy to carry by one man and store. EPD-150 is only 39 pounds and measures 18 inches by 14 inches by 14 inches, while the EPD-200 is 45 pounds and is only 6 inches longer. The quiet Ecor Pro EPD-150 is a mere 56 decibels, while the twin turbofan version EPD-200 is still only 58 decibels. EPD-150 and EPD-200 run on 110 volts and are not affected by power outages, so they're ideal for remote use, even in vacation homes. Typical applications include protection from condensation, dampness or mold, and rust protection. For warehouse storage, flood drying, carpet cleaning, crawl space and attic protection, factory stores, and car garages. Often used in offices, electronic installations, workshops, boat protection, and food production. Can even be used in cold rooms and freezers to reduce ice. Ecor Pro EPD-50 Pro and EPD-200 Pro versions of the models are stainless steel on the outside, but uniquely inside as well. Pro means ideal for drying ships and yachts or used in kitchens to protect food, even used in freezers to reduce ice. Standard versions are all galvanized steel with hard epoxy paint finish built to last and resist transport damage, purposely designed for the tough rigors of the Jansan and restoration industry, but can be used permanently in the home. The carrying handle also protects the controls, edges, and duct flanges during transport with 4 anti-scratch feet. A strong case and internals are good whether transported from drying job to job or whether a long-term investment. Benefiting from twin turbo fans, the EPD-200 4-hole design allows sealed room drying, ideal for focus drying applications and drying tents. It also allows drying commercial freezers, helping prevent accidents through slipping, energy efficiency, and helping food to last longer. The EPD-150 has a single turbo fan, a 3-hole design, great for the most common way of drying any space. EPD-200 can work also in 3-hole mode. Just place it in the room, attach the hose, and vent moisture to the outside. Damp air from the room. Process air is first cleaned by the easy-to-clean filters. Shake clean to maintain periodically. 5-inch ducting can be added to process air in and process air out, ideal if used outside the room needing to be dried. Water from the air is converted to a nanomist, which can be exhausted through the 3-inch exhaust vent. EPD-150 uses 15% of the process air to purge the moisture as nanomist through the exhaust. This is called Regen air. EPD-200 has a second fan and a 3-inch 4th hole to take additional air, which can be used as the Regen air supply. EPD-200 can have all process air flow separate from Regen and exhaust air flow, meaning pressure-neutral drying is possible. Housing on the Regen air filter of the EPD-200 can be totally removed quickly if needed, or if easier to transport. Periodic dust filter maintenance is all that's needed for fully automatic drying, all day, every day. Ammeter shows amps consumed in operation and allows calculation of power consumption of the unit. Triple safety self-regulating components ensure the dehumidifiers will never overheat, so they're safe to use 24/7. Power automatically adjusts to any ducting added to maximize performance and energy efficiency. Hour run timer shows the number of hours in operation to calculate both energy costs and prompt any cleaning. An optional humidistat can be added and plugged straight into the military plug to be able to dry to a set level of humidity. To switch over to the external humidistat, just plug in and press remote on switch. Operational in seconds. A 15-foot power cord, means it can be easily put around the home, on restoration jobs, and wraps around the handle for transport. Easy to carry even with one hand, saving money for contractors on both labor and operations, and it's compact to save storage. Both EPD-150 and EPD-200 power cords can be replaced quickly if damaged, and the design means cheaper maintenance costs. Ecor Pro dehumidifiers are quiet, efficient, and have nanomist technology with no risk of secondary flooding. EPD-200 and EPD-150 were designed to work all day, every day, safely. They're the professional's new choice. No water container, water pump, or draining water hose means a lot less maintenance. Ecor Pro dehumidifiers using DryFan technology are designed to work all day, every day, safely, all over North America.